Are you looking for a beginner-friendly woodworking tool that can shape different wooden surfaces and even modify old furniture? Then handheld planners should be your perfect go-to. And you don't have to be an expert to use one. Also, if you're dealing with a large size wood stock that you can't place on a table, a handheld planer will be an ideal choice. But choosing the best handheld planners could be tricky, considering how many handheld planners have flooded the market. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best handheld planers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Porter-Cable. No doubt, the Porter-Cable brand isn't a name in the woodwork industry. That is, it's not as popular as the likes of DEWALT, Bosch, etc. But the brand has come a long way in the past 100 years, producing quality planers that can go head-to-head with other big and popular brands. And the PC60THP hasn't failed to prove its worth. One of the striking features of the Porter-Cable brand is its price. The company has a way of producing high-quality woodworking tools that are budget-friendly. That's why we listed the Porter-Cable PC60THP as the best value handheld planner, because it bridges price and performance. Number 2. Wen. The goal of the Wen brand is to help artisans and woodworkers around the world bring their imagination to life. In a bid to hit their goal, the 6534 model happened, which is a powerful corded hand planer with a strong motor. Here's why the 6534 took the best budget spot in its category. Comes with an 8-amp motor that works perfectly for tough work pieces. The blades spin at 16,000 RPMs when it reaches its operational speed. The shoes can cut 4x4s and 2x4s effectively with its 4 3/8 inch wide shoes. V-shaped chamfer grooves assist the shaping of old wooden sharp edges or door edges. You can make up to 16 adjustments. Number 3. Bosch. The Bosch PL2632K is the successor of the PL1632. So, it's not surprising that the PL2632K has better performance, power rating, and cut per minute. Bosch released the PL263K 3/1/4 inch to solve the issues people had with the PL1632, which also cuts a 3/1/4 inch. That's why we selected the Bosch PL2632K as the most reliable handheld planer to buy. That's not all. Here are other features that show it's a worthwhile handheld planner: 15,600 RPM and 6.5 amp for easy stock removal, and smooth finishing for hard and soft wood. Lightweight planer weighing only 6.3 pounds, making it easy to handle. Lock-off release button to protect you from hazards, and the lock-on button for more extended operation. It comes with a spring-loaded stand to protect the blade and elevate tool from its resting spot. Number 4. DEWALT. DCP580B is a unique piece of art that comes with a brushless motor. The idea behind this feature is to increase efficiency. Also, the motor helps to maintain speed under load. In summary, it's a lightweight, high-capacity cordless hand planer you can work with on the go. Here are other features that made this model stand out in its category. Rear-loading 20V max battery that balances the tool and saves your wrists from fatigue while working. Offset handle with a molded non-slip grip that boosts comfort while you operate the device in different outdoor conditions. Twin blade drum with a carbide reversible blade that produces a clean, plain surface on all materials. Smooth adjustment knob allows you to increase or decrease the setting with ease. Brushless motor increases runtime and power. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.